Changing your password on Google Wallet is a straightforward process that helps ensure your account remains secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device or visit the Google Wallet website on your computer. Step 2. Access account settings. In-app, tap on your profile icon or the menu icon to access account settings. If you are on the website, look for the settings option in the menu. Step 3. Select security options. Within the account settings, find and select the security or password option. This section will provide you with options related to your account security. Step 4. Choose to change password. Look for the option that says change password or update password. Click or tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then type in your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, then save the changes. After completing these steps, your Google Wallet password will be updated. Remember to use your new password the next time you log into your account.